Hello everyone, I'm David, a specialist of SMC or GRP panel tank. I'd like to present some information about GRP panel tank. I hope this is a useful information for you and your business. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is a second video for the installation. We are going to have a review for horizontal checking and adjustment for the skid frame and application of sealant gasket on the panel. There are some conditions for concrete foundation. This is a 600 mm, but this is not for foundation height. This is foundation plus bottom panel level. So this is 600 includes this height of skid frame. So depends on, there are some different types of height, the skid frame from 1 meter to 2.5 meters high. We use 75 mm angle, and 3 to 4 meter with high tank we use 125 mm C channel. From 4.5 to 5 meter, we use 150 channel, same. Depends on the height, and this is one, you can guess, this is 150. This is 120, this is 75 mm. So this height of the skid will be different. Depends on the height of the tank also. So if suppose 3 meter water tank, 3 meter water tank, this will be 125. So if we need 600, concrete foundation will be 475 mm. Okay. There are two types of mainframe. There are mainframe and subframe, but there are two types of mainframe. Mainframe width side and mainframe for length side. Okay, well, there is no some wings or something brackets for mainframe, so it cannot be connected itself, so we need bracket. So this kind of bracket we need. But subframe, these are mainframe, these are mainframe and mainframe, and also this is mainframe. For subframe, maybe you can think, this is subframe. All the subframe has a the wing, actually the welded bracket, so that it can be connected with mainframe and subframe. This is a detail also, subframe and mainframe, and also there is a, this is anchor bracket. So basically we need for skid frame, mainframe, two types of mainframe, and subframe, and anchor bracket and bolt nut washer. As I told you, before fixing skid frame 100%, we need to, there is another important process for level adjustment. So with this laser leveling machine, we can check that each point, each cross point can be same level. This and this and this and this and all the crossing point we have to check. So all the crossing point should be same level. Otherwise, water pressure will go down to the lower level and the panel will be damaged soon, easily. As you see, this engineer, this person, putting some steel plate to make same level. Checking and checking both sides. If level is same, and next, like that. If you see this, you may see this person is attaching sealing tape on the panel flange. If you see this drawing, sealing tape gasket, there are some gaps and space. We have to keep distance from inside of the panel body, and it mentions 10 mm, but practically I don't suggest 10 mm. It should be minimum 13 and 14 mm. If we keep 10 or less than 10 mm, which means close to the body inside, panel body inside, after installation, maybe gasket will come out easily. So we need to keep at least 13 and 14 mm distance. Normally we use 50 mm gasket for flange of the panel, and also if you make just one turn for gasket, so there are some place should be overlapped. So this is mentioned 15 to 20 mm, but again this should be at least 50 mm, 5 centimeter. Next time we are going to have a panel assembly. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.